Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to design t-shirt in Canva. So for this, let's go to Elements and search for Abstract Design here or Colorful Abstract and go to Graphics. Now here, you need to choose a design. So keep scrolling until you find a design that you like the most. Once you select the design, now click on it and right click on it and click on Set Image as Background. Now we need to add few colors more. So I will add this color and keep duplicating. I will duplicate it for 3 times. Let me duplicate it more and adjust it. Now we need to add a text on it. So for this, go to text and click on add a heading. Click on add a heading and here you can add any heading. I will just type your t-shirt here. Okay, so now click on top left corner and we have fonts here. So you can choose the font from here. You can go with the joining writing or with the bold one. Okay, so now the text and font is added. Now we need to change the color of the text. So for this, I am here to change it. You can go with the one which suits the most. So let me change the font color here. Okay, so now done. Then you need to click on share and download this image. Let me choose the page first and then click on download. So now the image is downloading. Now you need to open a new tab here and search for canva.com. So you will be directed to home page. Now here in the left side you will find the option of apps. Click on it and as you click, now scroll down and click on mockups. Here you will find different categories of mockups. So we need to click on apparels in order to design a t-shirt. So go to apparels and here we have t-shirts. Click on it. Once you clicked, now here you can choose a design which you want. So I will go with this one here. So now as the image is downloaded, click on select and now click on upload. The gallery will open up and choose the design that we just saved. Here it will take few seconds while uploading. Now the design is uploaded, click on the image and then click on done. So it will start uploading here and again it will take few seconds. And now as you can see the image is added on t-shirt. This is how it will look like on t-shirt. You can also adjust the image. Let's resize it. You can zoom in or zoom out the image like this and then click on save. So now the image is adjusted in the t-shirt. After that you can click on save mockup and your design will start saving. It will take few seconds while downloading this image. So in this way you can design t-shirt on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.